Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily split a video using Canva. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged in into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free at canva.com. Once you're logged in, you can create a design. On the bottom right corner, from the drop down menu, you can select video. Now you can either start a new project or open an existing video project. For this tutorial, I'll open an existing video from my recent designs. And here we have our video project. To split the video, select the video clip you want to edit by clicking on it in the timeline below. So let's say I want to split the second video. With the clip selected, you notice a white playhead line or the black one. Drag this playhead to the exact point where you want to split the video. Like this. Now simply right click on it and here you can find split paste. Tap on it. Now you can either delete the splitted piece or you can create duplicates. As you can see, the video is now split into separate clips. And this is how you can split a video in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.